New at 5:30, the Georgia Supreme Court could decide the fate of 6 Fulton County jailers within the next few months. Prosecutors have made accusations linking them to the death of an inmate in 2018.
Yeah, but last fall, a judge tossed out those charges, and now the state Supreme Court has the final say. As Joe Ripley reports, the court's decision could come down to a definition.
The question is, what is the ordinary meaning of this undefined term here?
It's up to the Georgia Supreme Court to more clearly define the term peace officer. According to Georgia law, a peace officer maintains public order and has arrest powers. Attorney Devin Rafus represents one of the jailers. He argues that definition should apply to 6 Fulton County jailers accused in a Fulton County inmate's death in 2018. In November of last year, a judge tossed the jailers' indictments. He said the DA's office failed to comply with state law when pressing charges.
The DA's office should have given us opportunity and notice that they were presenting an indictment, so that way our clients, the peace officers, the jailers, if you will, could have testified in front of the grand jury to talk about what happened.
Peace officers typically get a say in court before a grand jury can return an indictment. The 6 jailers were originally indicted in 2021 on charges including felony murder, aggravated assault, and violating their oath as public officers. The charges stem from an incident involving inmate Antonio May, whose family claims he was having a mental health crisis before being jailed on a misdemeanor trespassing charge. A medical examiner's report from 2018 states the jailers responded to May when he was naked and on drugs in a holding cell. The GBI says May tried to fight them off, but witnesses claim May was beaten, sprayed with a water hose, and tased. He died on the scene.
It's an unfortunate situation, obviously, whenever someone passes away inside of the jail or outside. The fact remains there are some benefits or protections for peace officers that we should have been entitled to.
The DA's office can re-indict the jailers should the Supreme Court agree to dropping the charges. The Fulton County District Attorney's Office, representing the state, refused to comment on this particular case. The Georgia Supreme Court has within 6 months to make its official ruling. In Atlanta, Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.